sounds are offensive. Police nab suspect and pursuing others as probe continues into daring heist in Mandeville. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, experts concerned the public's not getting enough information from the media regarding climate change. And the BOJ governor still facing the heat for his salary warning to private sector. There's also Saturday's sports special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.